magkatabi yung dalawang main receivers. It's either na yung open hitter na yung kukuha, yung nasa open, yung nasa front row, or yung nasa back row.
Erica, what a smart off-speed hit for her 6-point. When she wouldn't start and she comes in, she makes an impact right away. That's in. Wow.
Quick side out for Signal.
Yeah. Short serve. Good reaction there by Gel. Oh, and an open donut hole. Santos, 8 points, 4 in the first set, 4 here in the second set.
Nahihirapan na din sa floor defense ang PLDT. Parang wala na masyadong.
So 7-1 run since our technical timeout. Aliyah. Dug by Rose. Erica again! Santos is on fire!
Her open hitter. But ang layo na niya kasi. Nasa left side na siya. But still was able to reverse that set.
Aliyah has had an impact off the bench. Back to Erica. Santos in this set, 6 points over 10.
Naka 6 points na siya.
10, yeah.
Take a look at that. If they need the point talaga, especially if Erica is in the front.